Here with the 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and my goal is to get these rear sway bar links replaced. You want to begin by jacking up the rear end and support the axle with jack stands, then remove the wheel with the 19mm socket. The rear sway bar link is located in between the backing plate and coil spring. For removal, I'm using a 15mm deep socket with a 15mm wrench to hold the bottom nut still. So the lower sway bar link snapped off, and the fact I can lift the entire sway bar up and down like this lets me know that the opposite side link has long since broke off too. But we have no problems, only solutions. The stock link should have a box midsection that you could use vice grips or an 8mm wrench to keep from turning while you loosen the nut. The new hardware comes disassembled in a bag containing 2 links, 2 nuts, 2 spacers, 8 washers, and 8 bushings. You want to grab a link and slide a washer on. Then grab a bushing and install with the tapered end facing upward. Then slide the link up through the axle mount. Install another bushing with the tapered end facing downward. Then slide a washer on top. There's 2 link spacers in the kit. Grab one and slide over top of the washer. Then put a washer on the top of the link spacer, followed by a bushing facing upward. Lower the sway bar on top, followed by a downward facing bushing. Add another washer, then thread the nut by hand. Now before I tighten this sway bar link down to spec, I'm going to head on over to the opposite side and replace that one. And just like I thought, this one is completely broken off. And going over certain bumps will cause the axle to raise up and make contact with the broken link. So if you got a mysterious clunking sound coming from the rear end, this is something you want to check out.